In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build websites in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know how to log in, start a new site, structure your pages, connect a domain, optimize for mobile, and set basic SEO, all inside the platform. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. Click the official result to head to the website. Then choose the option to log into the app. On the Sign In screen, enter your credentials or use the Sign In with Google option if that's your preference. Keep your login details secure and avoid entering them on any unfamiliar pages. Once you're in, choose the correct sub-account. Click the prompt that says, "Click here to switch," then select the account you want to work in. This ensures every change you make applies to the right brand or client. In the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the Sites tab. From there, go to Websites and click the plus New Website button in the top right corner to begin. You can start from a template or from a blank canvas. Templates are a great shortcut, with hundreds of industry-focused designs you can preview and customize. If you want complete creative control, pick blank and build everything from scratch. Either way, once your site is created, click plus Add New Page to set up the key pages you need, like Home, About Us, Services, and Contact. Keeping your page structure simple at first makes navigation clearer and speeds up design decisions. Inside the editor, you'll see a helpful color-coded hierarchy. Sections, highlighted in green, are your big containers. Think of them as horizontal slices of your page. Rows, shown in blue, live inside sections and define your column layout. Elements, in orange, are the building blocks: headlines, images, buttons, forms, and more. If you want to move faster, open the Sections menu and drag in pre-built pieces such as testimonial carousels, FAQ accordions, or feature grids, then tailor the text and images to your brand. When you're ready to set up your web address, click Connect Domain. You can attach a domain you already own or purchase one through the prompts. Follow the on-screen guidance to complete the connection. If you're updating DNS elsewhere, allow time for changes to propagate. Before you wrap up, click the mobile icon at the top of the editor to fine-tune how your pages look on phones. Adjust spacing, font sizes, or element visibility in mobile view without altering your desktop design. Finally, open your SEO settings to add a clear page title, a concise description, and a social share image. These details help search engines understand your page and improve how your links appear when shared.